I got 10. No, 8 reps, 8 reps. Yo, I felt better than I did last week. What's going on, brother? Happy New Year. Huh? Oh, they closing at 10:30? Yeah. That's what she just told you? Yeah. Why? Thanks. Alright. Let's go to the dip. Let's go to the dip. It's snowing, they trying to close the dip. We got a superset. The program doesn't call for a superset, but it's getting dangerous outside. People want to go home. They want to return to Mac. They want to get cozy. They want to Netflix and chill and eat. Eat them carbohydrates. Eat them sweets. We got a superset, so we got 2 more sets of that. I'm not gonna record, and then conventional curls, and we literally got to get out of here in 20 minutes. So we got to make it happen in 20 minutes. All right. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Whoo, come on, 2 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Let's go get the physique up there.
Yeah.
Alright, today is January 4th. Happy New Year. This is week 5. I've been playing around. I ended the year at 213. I'm at 215 now, but it's alright. I'm gonna get it back. So this is the front, non-flex. Oh, it's predominant now. It's a little bit stronger, 215 than before. This is the right. This is the back. This is the left. Back to the front, little flex. Right.
There you go. That mini horseshoe coming in, boy.
Word, I appreciate it. Christmas tree.
Yeah, I mean, you have it there. You just need to cut. You see it, yeah.
And, okay, let's. Oh, this is
The traps.
striations. If they're still there. And what else? And then you had
That Mike Mentz. Oh yeah. Squeeze him.
yo, only because it was arms. I was like massive.
Yo, do that Mike Mentzer, yo. The other way, the other way, the other. Yeah, look towards me though, so you can show the cam though. Yeah, yo, clean. With the yeah, my man's.
And that's it. The gym is about to close. It's a snow day, so I hope you guys got your workout in. The gym literally closed. It's 10:31, but had to record that physique update. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh no, I lied before peace. This is week 5. I don't remember. I put it on the screen, but this is week 5, I believe. Yeah, this is week 5 of the cut. So this is week 5 of the physique update. Yep, 5 weeks in. We got. So next week would be 6, and then 6. So we got 7 weeks left. We 7 weeks out before the cut is over. I'm feeling good. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. No, my fault. So as you guys can see, it's definitely snowing. Best gym in Boston. It's crazy out here. We're gonna be safe. Alright, we're gonna be safe. We're gonna make sure to get home safe, and I'll record when I get home so you guys know I got home. Yo, enjoy yourself, alright? Be safe out there. Peace! Alright. Started round 2 of shoveling snow. This is how much I did. Probably can't even see. Oh, you can see. I got all of this left. Around the corner. There as well. I've been also timing myself too with the Apple Watch. Come on, focus. Hold on. So hold on, man. I don't know, but yeah, it's been 19. There you go, 1927. So, update number 1. Been a good day so far, so I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna come back with update number 2, so you guys know how far I came. I still gotta shovel off the car too, but let me get back to work. And I'm still not touching the ground. That's how deep it is. Alright, 51 minutes. That's all done. That's all done. Now I gotta clean the car off, touch this up, put some salt down. Look, and I'll be good to go. But look, that's their pile. Look at your boy's pile. That's my pile. When it comes to those winter games, I don't play around, boy. Woo! I think it's called Winter Storm Garrison or Garson. I see you. I see you. You got us working hard. I see you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Hi, I'm ending this vlog here. I'm done. Official time. I'm gonna lock it in. Right there, focus. An hour, 38 minutes. Yeah, I'm beat. My next door neighbor wound up coming through with the snowblower, so he helped with one part and then I shoveled the rest. I don't feel good. I feel like throwing up. So I'm about to go inside, get some water, warm up, call it a night. I'll see you guys on the next one. Look at it, it's so cold, camera can't even focus. Right here, camera, right here, my face, right here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.